A serene modern bedroom features a wooden bed with grey linens against light blue walls. Large windows with shutters open to a lush garden balcony, filling the space with light. This modern bedroom offers a city skyline view. It features a grey-dressed bed flanked by plant prints, a white armoire, and a cosy armchair, all set on light wood flooring. A peaceful green-toned bedroom overlooks the city. It includes a desk, a cosy couch, and abundant potted plants, creating a natural, scholarly vibe atop a soft beige rug. Rustic meets modern in this bedroom, featuring a wood plank accent wall and exposed beams. A grey sofa and abstract art complement the cosy bed and light hardwood floors. Natural light floods this grey-toned room, highlighting a wooden bed and a bookshelf filled with decor. Woven accents and potted plants add warmth to the serene atmosphere. A tranquil bedroom offers garden views through large, multi-pane windows. Grey walls and wooden furniture, including a bedside bench, create an inviting, sun-drenched retreat. This sleek grey bedroom frames a city skyline. A woven ottoman sits at the foot of the bed, while abstract art and a large potted plant enhance the modern, calm aesthetic. Witness breathtaking snowy mountain views from this serene grey bedroom. A green throw blanket adds a pop of colour to the bed, complemented by light wood accents and plants. Featuring a wooden ceiling and city views, this bedroom balances a striped comforter with a plush grey armchair. A large plant and white curtains soften the modern lines. A lush garden backdrop frames this bedroom, featuring a blue-striped throw and a wicker chair. Light grey walls and a wooden bench create a coastal, sophisticated feel. Panoramic city views define this beige-walled room. A wooden bookshelf and landscape art provide character, while a white pendant light illuminates the cosy, grey-toned bed. Light blue walls and garden views create a breezy vibe in this bedroom. A sliding glass door leads to a private patio, blending indoor comfort with outdoor tranquility. This cosy, rustic bedroom features dark grey walls and a stunning forest view. Wooden ceilings and forest-themed art emphasize a secluded, cabin-like feel for deep rest. Tatami mats and light green tones define this tranquil space overlooking the Tokyo skytree. Abundant potted plants and natural light create a peaceful urban sanctuary. This modern grey bedroom features a central bed flanked by abstract art. A built-in bookshelf and plush armchair offer a perfect reading nook under soft, recessed lighting.